Hey guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a candle holder for Christmas. We need a glass, some glass etching cream. The easiest way to buy it is from Amazon, but some DIY stores sell them too. And a vinyl stencil. You may cut your favorite design on Cricut, Silhouette or other machine. And if you'd like to use the design I'm showing in this video, just follow the link in description for a free download. I've designed it for a glass block but didn't have any at hand, so decided to use a regular glass. The process and tips are applicable to both. You may also use an electric candle or fairy lights instead of a real candle. It will look amazing in any case. So, first of all, we should define the appropriate size for this stencil and cut it. I'm sure you'll be good with this part without extra instructions. But if you are new to cutting machines, please check other videos in my channel with detailed tips on resizing, recoloring, precise placing on a mat and cutting your designs. I've put round settings this time and the knife has cut the base layer as well, but that's not a problem. I'm just sticking everything to a transparent tape, then I remove the base layer and then remove excess pieces of vinyl. I use some alcohol to clean and degrease my glass. It's very important for vinyl to stick firmly so that the etching cream does not get under its edges. Now I stick my vinyl stencil onto the glass. The parts that are covered with vinyl will remain clear. Just make sure your vinyl is well stuck everywhere. I don't want to make the whole glass matte, so I will put vinyl stripes as borders. Before applying your etching cream, read the instructions carefully to learn how thick your cream layer should be and how long it should stay on glass. As you can see, I apply my cream in a rather thin and not really even layer. The most important thing is not to leave uncovered areas. Now we wait for the cream to do its job. Various manufacturers recommend different time for their pastes, from 1 to 20 minutes. I keep mine for 15 minutes. The instruction to my cream says that it can be used again several times, but here I have a really thin layer, so I'll just remove it with a napkin and then wash my glass. I can already see that the cream worked well, but let's remove the vinyl. The edges are sharp and straight, and the bigger areas are matted evenly. Now I wipe my glass with alcohol again. It helps it to dry faster without any stains. And voila! Oh yes, it's perfect. Let's put a candle inside. Oh, that looks beautiful. By the way, you may use it not only as a candle holder. This will also work perfectly for wine glasses or for cups, and they will be safe to wash in a dishwasher, and the design will stay in place, so no worries. And that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and join my Facebook group for weekly free SVG designs. Good luck everyone, bye bye.